Teams throughout the Red River Valley have spent this past month driving piles, pouring concrete, and moving dirt. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with the latest project update. Our tour starts at the Red River structure, where we had expected work to pause for the winter months. Instead, the warmer than average weather has allowed nearly 3,000 cubic yards of structural concrete to be placed since the start of the new year. In the past month, Ames Construction completed portions of formwork, rebar, and concrete placement at the structure's west stilling basin and downstream retaining walls. They also completed portions of both of the structure's abutments and piers. With the west abutment nearly complete, crews have now installed shoring towers and post-tension bars in preparation for casting the first of the structure's trunnion girders. Situated at the top back of the abutments and piers, the trunnion girders act as the anchor point for the Tanner Gate strut arms and must resist the pressure from floodwaters when the gates are lowered during operational events. Speaking of Tanner Gates, we'll be sure to highlight their scheduled arrivals in the coming weeks. ASN Constructors has also been busy with concrete placement. At the Maple River Aqueduct, concrete work continued at the flume and conduit structure. Their work is focused on completing additional portions of the structure's base, as well as the west abutment and piers. They've also begun forming concrete substructure elements for the BNSF Prosper Railroad Bridge, which will allow trains to pass over the stormwater diversion channel. The project's 3 railroad crossings will differ distinctly from the 16 road crossings that will be built. In comparison, due to much heavier loads, the railroad bridges will feature shorter spans, larger concrete substructure elements, and more piling. ASN Constructors also has been working on the other crossings. At the combined channel crossing for County Roads 4 and 31 east of Argusville, they installed bridge girders. Farther south at County Roads 20 and 22, crews are now driving H-piles. Excavation continues on the channel as well. Of the 45 million cubic yards of material that must be moved, ASN Constructors is approaching the 19 million cubic yard mark. That's enough dirt to fill the Fargo Dome about 9 times. Want to learn more interesting facts and continue to follow the construction progress? Sign up for the Diversion Current at fmdiversion.gov/subscribe.